getting it centered, so we have the middle of the sink centered with the middle of the noodles. So that's why we're going to do so it's all from here, we just have to line up with this down here. Hold on. What I do is I cut a hole in each corner, so we're going to go in from each corner to get those. I don't think this is going to fit too well in the back, but that's all we got to do. Special blades, just for what we call skrill wood. When it's a fine cut, and you want to make sure you're staying on a particular line to really find the thin blade. So you actually, if you needed to, you could go like that. But I want to try to keep a fine line here just because of the counter.
Is the broken one here?
Yeah, put another one in. I don't want to ruin the blade. Set that to the side, we'll bring another blade at the bottom.
Ano dito? Yan na lang, and then pag natanggal ko, saka ilalagay yung sink. This is this one.
For this line. So we have to use something that can fit in there. Basically, I'm going to cut through the plastic and then maybe I'll use the other blade once I get to the wood, because the other blade will probably cut it faster. Ooh, that's no good. I don't know why. Amps come off, I don't know what they're for. This is metal and wood with nails, in case you hit nails, which we do a lot when you're using these tools.
So ito yung mga blades na ginamit niya, kaya lang umuusok siya. Yan na lang, and then pag natanggal ko, saka ilalagay yung sink. This is this one. Yung mga tools niya, pang-hybrid talaga. Now, ikakabit na yung ano niya, yung drain niya.
going to turn, but the top is.
You want me to hold it?
Yes, I do. Okay, so this faucet is a pull-out spout. This is what allows it to pull out. It pulls out, you pull it up, and this goes up.
Oh.
That's a flexible line. This weight, all this is a weight, and that's how it returns back into the proper hold up there. You probably could have moved it a little bit, but I'm just doing it right exactly where the manufacturer says to put it. If you didn't have the weight on here, the hose would stay out, and it wouldn't go back into the pocket. This is an offset sink, so that would just be stuck over like this. We don't want that. So this is a one-hole sink. If it was a three-hole sink, you would use that. So this particular one has a spacer. So it has to go into a space up here. So basically you have to make sure it's lined up every time you put it back up. Well, ours, it doesn't matter. You can let go of it, it's going to go up there. I guess I'm just trying to hide the buttons. Spray buttons. I'm going to put this gasket up here on the tailpiece. And the drain, because they call it a top hat gasket because it looks like a top hat. Actually, it looks like a straw hat. And that goes up there to seal this surface. Way too close to that to see. And we've already cut this to length, so it's the right size. So we have to make sure this section has pitch, so the water will go down. We don't want it pitched the wrong way, so the water just sits there. That's one of the things we're gonna check.
Now the connection is done. So he needs to check and run the water to check out the limit of the water and then meet the sink. So far there's none.
So far. And what else are we gonna do? Oh, I have to go through that.